So in today's session, we are going to discuss about reports and dashboards. Guys, reports and dashboards mostly used by managers in the organization. This is not a developer job. This is an admin job. Okay. These reports and dashboards are majorly used by managers. Okay. This is not a developer job. This is an admin job. However, this is not an important topic as well. Okay. So manager will ask you, manager will ask you, what is the last month report of HR case records? HR case records, last month report I want. So then what we will do? We will go to the personal developer instance. It is in the wake up mode. It is in the wake up mode. No, no, Advita, this is only for CSA. So instance is under maintenance, guys. Okay. Okay. Are you using your account? Email address, please. Is this your email address? Password? Don't you remember the password? Mail address? This is not correct. Okay. In the meantime, let it wake up, guys. So reports and dashboards are for management purpose, guys. So managers, they don't go to tables, they don't open the lists. Okay, they don't go to tables, they don't go open lists. They will just take a look at the reports. So in the last month, how many employees worked on how many tickets? Okay, who has worked more highest issues? So manager will actually take it from report. Okay, so guys, managers will not go to the tables and they will not take a look at the data. They will always take a look at the reports and dashboards. Okay, I am going to create the reports, guys. Once the instance is back, I'll actually create the reports so that you will be able to understand better. Okay, the environment is not cooperating with us. We'll wait for a few minutes and then we'll get started. Okay. So Ajay, are you not practicing? Okay, now the instance is back, guys. We'll get started. So to create the reports, we have to go to reports module. So you can just click on view run or create new. Anyone you can do it. Under reports module, under reports menu, you will be able to see create new. Click on create new here. Okay. So I'm going to create a new report, guys. So that report is actually in the last month, how many incidents were closed? Okay. Last month closed incidents. Okay, select the type as table here. Table incident table I am selecting here. Table incident table I am selecting here. Okay. Next. So type of the report. Which type of report you want? You want bar type or histogram type? So you have a horizontal bar type, Pareto type, and you have donut type, you have pie type, area type, column type, line type, spline type. Likewise, we have different type of reports available, guys. Okay. So I am actually taking, okay, I am taking list type of report. I am taking list type of report. Okay. Click on next here. So in this report, which are all the fields you want to show? Now it is showing number, opened, short description, caller, priority, state, category, assignment group, assigned to updated by. You are able to see these, right? Okay. So I want to show some extra columns. Assignment group is there, right? So I want to show some extra columns. So caller is also there already. Closed field I want to show. Description field I want to show. Okay, what are all the fields that you want to show in the list that you can actually add it in the choose columns? Okay, group by. So group by means I want to group by using state field. Okay, the state field, I'm actually grouping by state field. So you can also use additional group by as well. Additional group by I'm using priority. Okay, so I am adding additional group by as well. Function configure function field. Guys, here when we are creating the field in the field properties, in the dictionary properties, you will be able to see function field option. You will be able to see function field option. Okay. So when I open a field, you will be able to see here function field. Function field. So what exactly this function field is actually about? This function field mostly we will create it from for the reports. You can see you can't check this checkbox because it is read only. So what is this function? We know what is read only, what is mandatory, what is display, what is default value. Then what is this function field? So this function field you will normally create it from the reports, guys. This function field you will normally create it from reports. Okay, got it right? I am actually creating a function field. Okay, so save and continue. So I am actually creating a field here from the reports. Closure time. Okay, I am taking duration type. I am taking. So operation date difference between created time, comma, closure time. Okay. So difference between created time and closure time. Whatever is the time that is coming, that will be stored in this particular field. Field created a field called function field, guys. Okay. I want to add that function field here. Okay. Closure time. This is the function field that we created. Okay. I have actually added to the list here. The closure time I have added to this list here. So this is the function field that I created, guys. This is the function field that I created. Okay, what it does, it will take the date difference between created time and closure time. Whatever is the time that comes, that will show it, that the time will be shown in this closure time field. So let us say incident is created at today morning at 8 a.m. Incident is closed at 9:30 a.m. 1.5 hour duration it has taken to close this incident. 1.5 hour time it is taken to close this incident. So here you will see duration as 1.5 hour. Okay, click on next here. So styling. So if you want to show the chart title color in the black color, it is actually chart title color is actually showing in the black color, right? Instead of black color, if you want to show it in a different color. Okay. Now the chart title color is actually showing a different color here, not in the black color. Chart title horizontal alignment. Now it is showing in the center, right? I want to show it in the left. Chart title is actually appearing in the left here. Okay. Show chart title. Report only. Always. Okay. Click on run here. So here you can actually apply the filter here, guys. In the last month, how many incidents are closed? Okay. Closed on last month. You can run this one. You can save this report. So in the last month, there is no incident that is closed, guys. Okay. In the last month, there is no incident that is closed. Okay. So this report, you created it. Once you click on it, you can see report saved last month closed instance. So here you kept a closed on last month. Okay. So this report, I want to share it with the managers. I want to share it with everyone who is having ITIL role. Everyone who is having ITIL role. Okay, I want to share this report with everyone who is having ITIL role. So instead of everyone, I want to share it with a group, application development group members. Okay, I want to share it with Abraham Lincoln. Okay. So if you want to share this report to someone, you can actually share this report. So guys, if you want to schedule this report, we can schedule this report. We have already discussed in the scheduled jobs. We can schedule the reports. You can see here, this report I'm actually scheduling. You can select the frequency. Okay. Every Friday, if you want to send this report to manager. Okay. Whom you want to send the report? Whom you want to send the report? Okay. Whom you want to send the report? We have discussed about condition, omit if no record, subject. Okay. Introductory message. So this we already have discussed in the scheduled jobs topic, guys. How to schedule a report and all we have already discussed in the previous sessions. Okay. So you can schedule this report on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. Okay. Daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, periodically. Periodically means for every 1 hour or for every 2 hours, for every 5 hours. Once means only one time. On demand means as and when you want to send this particular report, you can come to this particular scheduled job. You can actually send an on demand report. Okay. So in the month end, in the year end, in the month beginning, in the year beginning, if you want to send the reports, you can actually use this particular one. Okay. So likewise, you can schedule the report, guys. You can actually add a report to the dashboard that we will be seeing in some time. You can actually export the report in the PDF format. You can export the report in the PDF format, guys. Okay. So now what I'm doing is I have just saved the report. Okay. Likewise, I am going to create a few more reports, guys. Okay. Last month open incidents. Last month new incidents. Last month open incident. Okay. Open means insert and stay. I have created a report which were created in the last month and still not closed. Which were created in the last month and still not closed. Okay. So likewise, I have created two reports, guys, on the incident table. Similarly, I want to do it for problem table. Open problems. Created on last month. and state is not closed. Okay. Last month, last month closed problems. Insert and stay. So totally I have created 4 reports. Okay, now I am going to create 2 reports on the change request table. Okay. Created on last month and state is not closed. Open changes. Closed changes. Okay, totally I have created 6 reports, guys. I will show you what are the reports that we created. Okay. Go to the reports. Go to view run here. Here you will be able to see the reports that you created here. You can see last month closed changes, closed incidents, closed problem, open changes, open incidents. I think for the last one, we did not do insert and stay, looks like. So there are only 5 reports here, guys. So these are the reports that we created. These are the reports that we created. Okay. So So last month closed changes, closed incidents, closed problems, open changes, open incidents. I think open problems are missing. Last month open problems are missing. Mm. So these are the reports that we have here, guys. Okay. So if you want to share these reports to someone, you can share these reports to someone. If you want to schedule the report, you can schedule the report. If you want to download the report as PDF, you can download the report as PDF. If you want to add these reports to dashboards, let me open one report here, guys. You can see, you can share this to someone. You can share this report to anyone. You can schedule this report. You can actually download this as a PDF. You can actually add this on the dashboard. So I am going to create a dashboard, guys. I am going to create a dashboard. Okay. So now I am done with the reports creation part. Okay. Reports is not a difficult task, guys. You can create dashboard from here as well. So I'm creating a new dashboard from here. Last month reports. Last month reports. Okay. I'm selecting data classification. I created a dashboard, guys. I created a dashboard. So in the dashboard, you can click on view dashboard. This is how the dashboard will look like. This is how the dashboard will look like. So in this dashboard, you can show the reports. Okay, add widgets using widget picker. Okay. So here you can select the reports here. Reports. Last month open problems. Adding it. Last month closed changes. Adding it. Open changes. Closed problem. Okay. So these reports you can actually add these reports something like this one, guys. Okay, you can actually adjust the reports in the dashboard like this. So we created a dashboard. In the dashboard, we are actually adding the reports that we created. Okay. So last month reports, we have to. Sorry, guys, network got disconnected. Likewise, guys, we can. Just a moment, guys. Okay, we created a report. In the report, we have so we created a dashboard. In the dashboard, we have actually added the reports. So managers will directly come to this dashboard. They will look at the statistics. They will question the managers. They will question the team leads. They will question the team members. Why the incidents are not closed in the last month? Why they are still open? So why the count is less? Why didn't you close much incidents? Why are you? What are you doing? What were you doing? Something like that. They will question you. Management will take a report, and management will take a look at the dashboards and reports. They will actually question you guys. Okay. So if you want to share this dashboard with someone, You can see add users row, add groups, users roles here. So if you want to share this report to group members, you can share it to group members. If you want to share it to users, you can share it to users. So I am going to share it to full tutor. Okay, I want to share it to a group called application development group. I'm able to share it to user. I'm able to share it to group. I'm able to share it to roles as well, role member as well. Okay. So here which permission I want to give. So only view permission I want to give. I don't want to give edit permission. If you want to give edit permission, you can give edit permission. I want to give only view permission. So I can actually share the dashboards with the respective people whom you want to share. Okay, you can. I have shared this report to able tutor. I have shared this report to application development group members. I have shared this report to ITL members. Okay, so these people can view the report. Guys, remember, if they have permission to the dashboard, if they don't have permission to the report, they can't see the reports. If they have permission if they have permission to see the reports, sorry, if they have permission to see the dashboards, if they don't have permission to see the reports, they can't see the reports. If they have permission to see the dashboards, if they have permission to see the reports, but if there is a restriction on the access controls, they can't see the reports. Remember this point. First of all, they should have permission to the dashboard. They have permission to the dashboard, but they don't have permission to the reports. They can't see the reports. And they have permission to the dashboards, they have permission to the reports, but they don't have permission to the reports on the access controls. Then they can't access reports. So that means they should have dashboards permission, they should have reports permission, they should have access controls as well. Only then they will be able to see these reports. They'll be able to see dashboards and reports, guys. Okay, you guys are clear, right? How to create the reports and all. So guys, this is not a very important topic, guys. You don't get requirements on creating reports and dashboards. Just to have an understanding, that's it. Okay. Any questions from anyone, guys? Any questions from anyone? Take Advita Chanakeshwar, any questions from anyone? Any questions from anyone? Okay. So guys, we'll see you on Monday. Tomorrow is a festival. To connect tomorrow, we'll see you on Monday. Most probably I'll finish the sessions on Monday. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Thank you.